Good morning, all. Today we have to understand the basic Python program for the beginners. So first of all, we have to take the first program that every beginner want to learn, understand, and comfortable with the program. So first program we have to consider here write a Python program to perform the addition of two numbers. So it can take two numbers from the user side and perform the addition in the script. So here are the steps are first you have to start it, then ask the user for the first number, second ask the user for the second number, then convert it into the respective type that is an integer and for why it is required because in a Python programming the program function that is input function that will be read the data that will use string type and we cannot perform this string mathematical operation. So that's why it is required to convert it into the integer and float that we are expected and goal should be. After that, after the performing the addition, after conversion, you need to perform the addition and the result we will store in the sum and then you want to display the sum up will be here. So just understand the program. So here is the program for the addition of two numbers. So here you have to write the function to calculate the sum of two numbers. Then after that, A and B is the variable. They are able to read it from the user side. Then after that, we have to configure the step one, step two. It will be displayed on the visualize key. What is A first step and what is the second step? That here for the visualization purpose. Then after that, after reading the data that will be accepted in the float type, it will be converted in. After that, it will be performed the addition and that will be stored on float. Then after that, step 3, it will display as a text on the screen and this labeling will be shown the final result and please enter the valid number if there is a number other than this numeric it will be printing the message and we have to visualize this all this part so we have to use some window and that window should be have some title some of the two numbers we have to display that then after that we have to calculate the sum whatever the edge and everything it will be displayed. Similarly, at the end, you have to display step one, waiting for input. Before entering, they are displaying the such a like, and after that, it will be display the what you are entering, and it will display the result. So now we have to just run it this program. So this is your Python is the command, and the sum.py is the file name. You have to run it this one. So it will be display as per what you have to discuss. Okay. So for enter the first node that is you have to labeling in a, with the help of Tinker concept. So when you enter into the number 40.78, enter the second number, I'm entering the 30. Okay, and calculate the sum. So they are displaying the result in the form of float. Because see, when you have to enter the first number in the float, second number in the integer, so they are converted into the float internally. And then after that it will, because it will before performing the operation, it will be the same type, it will perform the addition. So 40.78 and 30.0, then it will be added and you get the answer 70.70 in the final result. So in such a way, we can able to understand how it will be performed. So these are the three steps should be there. And these three steps so simple. Asking the first number, asking the second number, and then perform the addition and you have to display the result. That's it. Thank you.